नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Professor Dr. Dharmendra Ahuja. I'll be taking a topic in vitro pharmacology and physiological salt solution. That is the topic related to your pharmacology lab. This is your pharmacology lab topic, and in this I'll be explaining you what is in vitro pharmacology and what are the physiological salt solution used. So in vitro pharmacology is nothing but performing experiments in vitro. In vitro means outside of body. So it is a Latin term. In vitro means outside of body. So whenever we are performing the experiment outside of body, that experimentation is called in pharmacology is called as in vitro pharmacology. Means outside of body. In vivo means inside of body. In vitro means outside of body. In situ is another term. Actually it is used for a particular location specific uses. So here we are discussing about in vitro, so outside the body. And now outside the body we can in this basically what we do, we isolate the tissue from the animal, and then we used to work on or experiment on those tissues. So in this in vitro pharmacology, actually the body parts or tissue are isolated and then the experimentation is done. So this branch of studying the organ is called as in vitro pharmacology. For example, study on isolated frog heart, study on isolated guinea pig ileum. So these all are isolated preparation study. So in these outside of body the study is done. Now what are the physiological salt solution? Actually to keep these tissues alive, physiological salt solutions are used. What are these? These are nothing but the solution which provide the similar body like environment to the tissue. Suppose if a heart in our body is getting regular sodium supply, potassium supply, iron supply, so similar iron supply will be given when it is taken outside of our body through physiological salt solution. So these physiological salt solution contain different ions like sodium chloride is added in them, potassium chloride, and related ionic contents are there. So these different for different tissue, different physiological salt solution are used. Like for frog, Ringer solution is used for frog heart. Similarly, different physiological salt solution are there. Thyroid solution is there. Frog Ringer solution is there. D-Zalone solution is there. Similarly, different solutions are there which are used for keeping the isolated tissues alive and performing experiments on them. So in vitro pharmacology is performing experiments outside of body. Physiological salt solution are the solution which are used to keep those isolated tissue alive outside the body. So student, this was brief introduction about what is in vitro pharmacology, what are physiological salt solution. If you have any query, you can mention here in the comment box and I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Digital Version 2. Thank you students.